Hello guys and welcome back, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching me today. So for today's video I'm going to share with you my Temu haul plus try on and also honest review. This is going to be second part for my last upload. If you guys are not familiar of Temu, they basically are an online marketplace like Amazon or Shein, where you can find stuff from all categories in a lot of cute varieties to choose from. And best thing is they are really very affordable. Like, their prices sometimes shocks me, honestly, you guys. This video is sponsored by Temu, but that doesn't mean that I will not give you my honest opinion. I'm definitely going to give you my 100% honest opinion and thoughts on their stuff. I love working with them because I find their website super cute and also extremely affordable, which I'm all about. If you are a new Temu user, you can use this code right here to save an additional 30% of your first purchase. So yeah, let's get started with this haul. I have clothing to try on for you guys, also makeup, kitchen tools, a little bit of everything. So let's get started with this haul. First thing, I picked me up this set of 10 rings. This was for only $1.28. I thought it was so cute. Look at the rings. It's exactly like the picture. Temu have a lot of different rings and other jewelry pieces to choose from for extremely affordable. I really like this set a lot. I think it is really very cute. And I also picked me up this dress as well for only $10.29. I hanged it to show you guys the actual picture. The camera is not doing justice here. This is the color for this dress where you see me wearing. This is the actual color. I ordered the size medium, but they sent me the size large, but I think it looks pretty cute. I really like this dress as well, you guys, for only $10.29. I think it's a very cute summer dress. Next up, I ordered this car trash can. This is a useful stuff. My car is always messy, so I thought I would order this. It's really sturdy and great quality. Honestly, I'm so surprised to see the quality for this. It opens up from here as well. It is not that big, but would work really good for me. I'm really happy with this find at Temu. Really useful stuff. Next up, I picked me up this set of 12 lip liners, Stay All Day lip liner pencils for $5. As you guys can see, I'm using one of the shades, the red shade. These lip liners are fantastic. As you can see, it is pretty pigmented. I used it all over my lips to show you guys the pigmentation on these. I think this is fantastic. I would recommend you guys. It's as good as NYX lip liners. Honestly, you guys, I would highly recommend you this product. And these comes in a lot of very cute shades. As you can see, I swatched a few more shades on my hand as well to show you guys what else you get in this set. Also for makeup, I grabbed this Romantic Color Star Glow highlighter palette. This palette have 4 different colors. This one was in the shade 02, and these are the shades you get. And here you can see me applying one of the shades. When I swatched it, the shades are okay. It's not like very buttery smooth. It's actually a little bit hard. But these are pigmented and looks cute on face. But I'm not a huge fan of this product. It is just okay for me. And I also grabbed this hoodie as well, which was so cute, for $12.49. Here you can see me wearing it. It's pretty good. This one is in the size large, which I like my hoodies to be a little bit loose. And this product is really nice, you guys, but it's pretty warm. It's not good for summertime. It has fleece inside, but I thought this was so cute. And also for makeup, they had this peel off long lasting lip color. I thought I would give it a try, or I forgot it to try in the camera, so I wanted to show you guys the swatch and everything. So here is what this color is. This is in the color Sweet Orange, and it really peels, you guys. Like, you need to let it dry for a minute and then it starts peeling, and when you peel it off, it leaves a really cute color behind, which lasts all day. Like, this swatch lasts me 2 days, you guys. Honestly, it's crazy. I would highly recommend this product if you want to buy something long lasting for your lips. It really works really very well, and they have some more cute shades to choose from on their website as well. And I also picked me up this concealer from Lang Many. I'm huge fan of lipsticks from this brand. I asked them to send me the shade number 2, but they sent me the 4, which is deeper for my skin tone. But this formula is heaven, you guys. It's extremely buttery smooth and so super easy to blend. It's like butter. So here you can see when I blended it. I would definitely buy it in the color 2 soon. I cannot wait to try it. Really good formula. Also, I picked me up this selfie ring light with tripod stand. This product is also phenomenal. I cannot believe I used to have one ring light from Amazon which was for $80, and this is exactly like that, you guys. A little bit better than that one because it have more colors settings, and it's really tall. Also, it comes with remote as well, which works with Bluetooth in your phone. So here you can see the tripod ring light stand. It's pretty sturdy. I still need to attach the phone holder, but this is the tripod. I wanted to give you guys an idea how it looks. These are the buttons. It have a lot of different settings. So when you open it up, this is the setting. You can dim this light, and also it have a lot of different cute colors as well. So everything you see in picture, you get all of this in this. And I think for the price, this ring light is phenomenal. If you guys are on a budget and you want one of these, I would highly recommend you this because it is super cute, and for the price I think it is fantastic. Next up, I ordered this spray oil can. I always wanted to have one of these. Then I thought I would, grab it at Temu. You guys, the quality on this is really nice. Once again, when you open it up, here is what you get. It has stainless steel packaging, which I think is so cute. It looks really luxe and pretty on your kitchen countertop, and it works just fine as well. I'll show you in a bit how it works. I'm really happy with this. If you guys want this, definitely buy at Temu. It's extremely affordable there. So here you can see I wanted to show you how it works. So you can see it do pretty even spray. I cannot wait to use it while cooking. And I also picked me up this kitchen magic tool for only 18 cents. So this is a magic sponge brush. You guys, this is extremely sturdy and great quality. For 18 cents, you cannot beat that. I would use it for my oven to clean it. And also for kitchen gadgets, I snagged this. This is a semi-automatic whisker. It works fantastic. I want to say they sent me 2 of these. I asked for one, but here is how it works. I wanted to show you guys. You can really quickly whisk eggs, or you can use it for other stuff as well. I think it's really good. I would recommend this. And then lastly, I have these 10-piece anti-cut finger cover finger protectors. I get a lot of cuts when I chop fruits and vegetable in my kitchen, so I thought I would give them a try. But honestly, I feel weird when I wear them. I don't know how I feel about them. I don't think I'm going to use them, but if you're wondering, the quality is great. It's like really strong and good material.